Hi friends, let me show you this ThinkPet coat for my dogs that I received for reviewing purposes. These are nicely colored. They come in a vacuum airless bag, so it's practical to have them. This is a nice blue color. This is a nice red color. Both of them are reversible, so this red one can become a black one, and the blue one can become kind of an orange one, okay? So they come in different sizes. These two are medium, and I am going to try them with my pets. You can open this zipper so you can reach the leash hook, okay? If you use a full body chest for your pet, and they will keep your pets comfortable in winter time, of course, preventing them from being so cold, okay? So let's try them. We are going to try this one with Milo, okay? We're going to try the blue one, okay? So it's easy to fit, just like that, okay? That's it. You are ready for a walk or for winter weather. If there's a snow where you are or a severe weather, this coat will help your pet to be protected from the weather. And you can get the leash hook like this here. So you are ready for taking for a walk. As you can see, they can relieve themselves easily with the coat on, so they won't stay in it, okay? So it's a nice coat, really easy to put on, as you saw. And it has these reflecting accessories. So it's good if you are walking in the night with the dog. The cars or other motor vehicles will see the reflection from the vest, from the coat. So your pets are, well, they can be seen in the night, okay? And we are going to try the red one with Choco, okay? Easy to put on, just like that. That's it, ready to go for a walk. Let's do it. With them, just like always. Of course, they have to get used to them. They can relieve themselves easily, even with the coats on.